In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your PayPal account without the use of a bank account or credit card. Whether you're new to PayPal or simply don't want to connect your banking information, you're in the right place. Sit back and follow along as we delve into this straightforward process, ensuring you can take full advantage of your PayPal features without tying your account directly to a bank or credit card. First things first, make sure that you're logged into your PayPal account. Once you're in, head directly to the Wallet section. The Wallet section is your gateway to managing funds, adding options for payment, and, importantly, verifying your account. It acts as the digital purse within your PayPal world, so getting familiar with it is always a good idea. Now, since we're avoiding the use of traditional bank accounts and credit cards, we're going to choose an alternative method to verify your account. The option that is most effective and widely used in this case is to use PayPal's Cash Card, a convenient feature that comes in quite handy. To begin this process, find and click on the option to apply for the PayPal Cash Card. What this does is it orders a debit card that links directly to your PayPal balance, allowing you to pay and receive payments just as you would with a standard bank account. Once you've opted to apply for the PayPal Cash Card, you'll be asked to verify your identity. This step is crucial, as it not only allows you to be issued the Cash Card but also verifies your PayPal account. The identification process might include submitting proof of your identity such as a driver's license or any other form of government ID along with some personal details like your address and date of birth. After you've submitted all the necessary information for identity verification, it's time to sit back and wait briefly. Typically, this verification process is handled swiftly, but occasionally, it might take a little longer if additional information is required. Once your identity is verified, PayPal will process your Cash Card application, and you're a step closer to having a fully functional PayPal account without a bank account or credit card attached. Once everything is approved, PayPal will mail the Cash Card directly to your address. Upon receiving it, you'll need to activate it as per the instructions provided. By activating the card, you'll have successfully verified your PayPal account. You can now use your PayPal account more extensively, which includes withdrawing funds and making payments without the limits that unverified accounts typically have. And that's it. You've just verified your PayPal account without a bank account or credit card. It's a handy workaround that offers flexibility and freedom while keeping your traditional financial details separate. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. Happy PayPaling!